So cams, these cleverly shaped components have a history that dates back to ancient civilizations, from the mesmerising water clocks of ancient Greece to the intricate automata of the Renaissance. This concept of cams has been around for centuries, captivating the minds of inventors and engineers alike. But what exactly is a cam? Well, at its core, a cam is a specially shaped component that almost looks like an egg, usually a disc or a cylinder that rotates around an axis, and it's designed with varying profiles or lobes that interact with other parts such as the followers or levers. This interaction translates rotational motion into oscillating motion. So what do cams actually do? Well, they're the unsung heroes behind many everyday and industrial mechanisms. Cams can be found in everything from engines to musical instruments, converting one form of motion into another with precision and reliability. So let's actually explore some applications of what cams are used in. So have you ever wondered how engines run smoothly? Automotive engines actually rely on camshafts to control the opening and closing of valves. In manufacturing, cams assist in the shaping of metal and plastic, creating these intricate designs. Cam mechanisms also give life to musical instruments like pianos and pipe organs, producing those beautiful notes. And of course, there are many other examples of where cams are actually used in across all industries. And I've got actually a few examples. So cams actually play a vital role in printing and paper handling. In the printing presses, cams control the precise movements of the rollers, ensuring accurate ink distribution and impression on the paper. In office photocopiers, cams facilitate the smooth feeding of paper through various components. So the textile industry relies on cams to create intricate patterns and designs on fabrics. Cam-driven looms control the movements of the threads, allowing for intricate weaves and patterns in textiles, from traditional carpets all the way up to modern clothing. And my personal favourite is vending machines. So the next time you grab a snack from a vending machine, remember that cams are actually at play. Cams control the dispensing mechanisms, ensuring that, well, most of the time, your chosen treat drops straight into your hands perfectly. And so in the world of robotics and automation, cams enable the precise and controlled movements of robotic arms. These mechanisms are used in industries ranging from manufacturing to healthcare, where precision and repeatability are crucial. And last but not least, manufacturing, but more specifically, packing machinery. So cams are really the unsung heroes in packing machinery. They synchronise the movement of conveyors, fillers and sealers, ensuring that the products are going to be packed efficiently and accurately. And there you have it. I suppose it's a bit of a glimpse into the fascinating world of cams. I suppose from the humble beginnings to even powering nowadays modern engines, enhancing creativity, cams are truly, well, the unsung heroes of mechanics. So next time you put a key in the car, just remember that, well, when you turn that on, cams are going to be at play, and they're in, wow, so many things ranging across all kinds of different industries. And I suppose with that being said, that does bring me to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments, and I will try my best to answer them all. Anyway guys, I hope you have the most fantastic day, and I will see you later.